बेंगलुरु में फैल्कन इंस्टीट्यूशन में तालीम हासिल कर रही नीट स्टूडेंट शीमा अंजुम ने प्रेजेंटेशन क्लास के जरिए साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी से जुड़ी मालूमात पेश करके अपनी पढ़ाई के दौरान तलबा की दिलचस्पी और काबिलियत को सामने रखा है। साइंस एक ऐसा वसी मजमून है जो अपने अंदर कई राज समोए हुए है और इस राज से पर्दा हटाने और दुनिया के सामने इस हकीकत को उजागर करने की चाहत और हौसला ही इंसान को साइंसदान बनाता है और इसकी शुरुआत स्कूल और कॉलेजेस में सीखे जाने वाले असबाक से जुड़ा होता है। कॉलेज की तालिबात मुख्तलिफ प्रोजेक्ट्स में हिस्सा लेते हैं जिससे उनकी छुपी हुई सलाहियतों को बाहर आने का मौका मिलता है।
My name is Shima Anjum. I'm studying in Falcon group of institution. I'm an NLT student. Now I'll be explaining you the concept of screw gauge. Screw gauge. Mainly I'll go with screw gauge. The uses of screw gauge are measuring width, diameter, and thickness of smallest object. Now, screw gauge mainly consists of two scales, that is main scale and the circular scale. Now, for starting off with the concept of screw gauge, see here. We can get two scales in screw gauge. This will be the circular scale, and here what you will be, and this is the main scale and this is the circular scale. Now in screw gauge, first with the starting of calculation, we will be finding three types of error, that is no or zero error, negative error and the positive error. So how to calculate the error is, if you have to tightly close the jaws of the screw gauge. You have to tightly fit it. Now, after fitting this is known as the error in the measurement. Measurement itself has the error. So, here when you get this main scale coincide with the, here I'll show you, when you get the main scale coinciding with the circular scale, it is known as no error or zero error. If in case the main scale and the circular scale, the zero of the circular scale is above the main scale, then it is known as the negative error. And in case if the zero of the circular scale is below the zero of the main scale, it is known as the positive error. Now, negative error can be calculated as number of divisions on circular scale minus value of coincide with the main scale into least count. Now I'll be explaining you the least count. For explaining this, first we should know what is the meaning of the pitch. Pitch is distance travel of the main scale in one rotation, like this. If we rotate like this, for one rotation, how much it is traveling, it is known as pitch. Now the meaning of the least count. Least count is pitch upon number of divisions on circular scale. We can simply say as the smallest unit of measurement that an instrument can measure is known as least count. And finally, what are the steps for calculation of screw gauges? We have to take the error and we have to calculate the negative error or whether it is the positive error. Then we should go for pitch and then least count, and finally we can go for measurement. And the measurement is, we have to take a reading on the after fitting. For example, let's take this marker. We have to rotate this. It's not getting rotated. We have to keep this, for example, if we are measuring this thickness of the marker, we have to tightly rotate this. And after rotating it, here we should take the main scale reading, that is known as MSR, and the circular scale reading, that where is the zero is coinciding on the circular scale, and we have to calculate the least count and the error. If the error is negative, we have to add it, and if the error is positive, we have to subtract it, and we can get the value of whether there is a width, diameter or thickness. Thank you.